In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the sales funnel pipeline in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Let's jump right in. From your Pipedrive dashboard, start by heading to the left-hand sidebar and clicking on Deals. This is the home base for your sales work, where you can see opportunities at a glance and understand what needs your attention. If you don't see the cards laid out like a classic sales board, look to the top left and switch to Pipeline View. This presents your deals as columns representing stages, so you can track progress visually from first contact through to a won or lost outcome. Next, it's time to add a deal manually. Click the plus button at the top left. This opens a simple form where you'll enter the key details. Give your deal a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to recognize later. Add the potential value and any timing details you have, like an expected close date. The more context you include now, the easier forecasting and prioritizing will be later. When you're done, confirm the entry. Your new deal will appear in the very first stage of your pipeline, ready to be worked. Go ahead and click the deal card to open its full details. This is your command center for everything related to that opportunity. Here, you can link activities such as calls, meetings, or follow-ups, so your next steps are always scheduled and visible. You can also connect the deal to the right contact and organization, which keeps your CRM tidy and ensures every email, note, and call is tied to the correct relationship. Don't forget to add notes that summarize conversations or key requirements. These quick updates make it easier to pick up where you left off and keep teammates aligned if you're collaborating. As you make progress with the customer, maybe you've completed discovery or sent a proposal, simply move the deal forward by dragging and dropping it into the next stage. This motion is all it takes to update its status, and you'll immediately see your pipeline reflect where everything stands. Keeping deals in the correct stage helps you spot bottlenecks, focus on the right opportunities, and maintain an accurate forecast. And that's it. Click Deals on the left, use Pipeline View, add a new deal with the plus button, fill in the details, open it to link activities, contacts, organizations, and notes, and then drag and drop it through the stages as you progress. With these basics, you're ready to manage your sales funnel clearly and efficiently in Pipedrive.